Hi guys, it's Angela with Kelly Mom Collects. How are you doing? Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Today I have a ThredUp box of jewelry to open for you guys. This is ThredUp's mixed jewelry box. 15 piece, they're starting to write on the box, and look at the shape that this box came in. I don't know if you can tell from the angle, but this one's beat up, so I'm really hoping that everything on the inside is still together and not broken. It came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, so let's just get into it. Okay, we got a bag. I see a ring. So let's just open it up and see what we have inside. Okay, for anybody that is curious, these boxes, the prices have gone up. They are $48, and after shipping, they end up being $53.99. That is the total now for these boxes. So we got to get some good things in there to make our money back. Let's start with that ring we saw. It looks interesting. So it's a really pretty purple color. Is that scratching? Is it dirt? Yeah, it kind of looks like there is some scratching on this stone. You can't really tell, but there is some. There is a mark. And it says 18K GF. So gold filled. 18 karat gold filled. Let's just check the stone. Probably glass with the scratching. Is this on? Is it plastic? No, it doesn't feel like plastic. Okay, it's working. There we go. Okay, so it's glass. I don't know why it took a minute to move. So we just have a purple glass. There is some scratching on this glass. It's 18 karat white gold filled. Cute. Where's my mandrel? All right. It's a 6. Cute ring. And I know somebody's gonna ask, because somebody always does, how do we get these boxes? I get these questions on the ThredUp and the Goodwill Blue Box, and Goodwill Blue Box is always on Fridays, same time, and even though it's hard to get, I don't get one every Friday. They're easier to get because you know when they're going to drop, you know what time. ThredUp is harder because you don't know which day, you don't know which time. My only suggestion to everyone is check often. Check as often as you can. That is how I get them. So this piece looks like it says Stella and Dot. Stella and Dot, gold tone, and then little pave rhinestone links. This is cute. It looks to be in good condition. So there is that. We've got an Alex and Annie. The gold tone is in good condition. Sometimes these, you know, they're a little iffy with the wire, but they look like they have little clear glass beads. And does it say anything else? What does that say? Okay, it's just a US number, and that's that. Alex and Annie. Alex and Annie, unless it's new or a Disney or something like that, they just don't resell for a ton. Chicos. I love getting Chicos. We've got some earrings. Faux pearls in blue. Glass, blue glass. They were originally $16.95. It says Aspen. And those are cute. We've got some elephant earrings. Trunk up, which means good luck. I do see a mark on these. $2,004 FL? Yeah. 2004 FL is what that mark says. I'll have to look that up. FL may be the designer. These are in really good condition. More earrings. So we have the blue, almost like it reminds me of the tortoise shell, but it's blue. And then gold tone. The gold tone, I do see some scratching on it. They do not have backs, but I can get backs for them. And I don't see any designers. They're cute hoops. They feel nice. They don't feel super light. They feel like they're good quality. We have another Alex and Annie. Gold tone, great condition, and there's that. Ooh, I see a loft tag. And Taylor Loft. Ooh, this is a nice piece. We have a statement necklace. And it has like almost like a chiffon ribbon woven in the chain. Let's look to make sure all of the rhinestones are there. It looks like it. This is a nice piece. It looks to be in good condition. cute. Really cute. I like that. More earrings. All right. We've got cute little owl earrings in an antiqued gold tone. There is some wearing or darkening happening on these earrings. The little dangling rhinestone. Yeah, definitely some wear on these. They're cute, but we'll see about that. Okay, right away I noticed that the silver tone on this necklace looks new. So we have a little spike, like pendant with rhinestones. I don't see any clasps or brands. It feels nice and it is in excellent condition, but I'm not seeing any branding on this. There's that one. Oops, grab two. These look like fans. That's what it looks like to me. Gold tone mini fans. These are very boho, and it reminds me of a style that would come out of Anthropologie. I have found earrings like that from Anthropologie. I don't see any brands on these, but they are cute. We have a tiny little shell necklace. Gold tone, excellent. Let me look closely at the clasp. No, nope, I'm not seeing any marks. And I don't think that it is. Nope. It is not. We've got a little fashion gold tone piece. I remember, and maybe it was last month, I found little gold tone leaf earrings that would go perfectly with this. And I don't know if I've listed them yet. So, except those were new and this is not. So I don't know. I don't think I'll list it together, but they would be cute together. This is nice and really good condition. C&I, that is Chloe and Isabel, I believe. I will double check, but I have, yeah, the little bird. Pretty sure that's Chloe and Isabel. Really good condition on this necklace. Cute, simple little silver tone links here. Cute piece. Down to our last couple pieces, guys. And the This looks like J.Crew. And it is. So we have the big round rhinestones and then the mint colored pieces. It looks to be in good condition. A little bit of wear up here on the clasp, like a darkening, and that happens on the J.Crew pieces that have that antiqued gold tone. A little bit of wear on the back. But all of the rhinestones are there, and it is still in really good condition, I think. Cute piece. And our last piece is another ring. Rings are probably one of my favorite things to get. And I am seeing a couple marks on the inside of this one. Oh geez, this is going to be difficult. Okay, so the marks are kind of muted and there's a lot of tarnish. I definitely think it is sterling silver. And they look like garnets. It has that almost red wine color on there that look like garnets. We will test them. Oh yeah, that says 925. And then there is another mark. It is probably the jewelry designer, but I can't make it out. Let me see. Is that a K? So there's the 925 mark, and then there's that mark. Something Z or something K. Yeah, all right. Well, I don't know, but let's test the stones. Oops. Slips. Yep, we've got some garnets. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This ring, I love this ring. I don't know if this one's gonna go for sale. I'll check the size. We've got a 6.5, and this one is beautiful. I love it. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back our pieces. All right, guys, here it is. Here are the pieces from this lot. And like the box said, there are 15 pieces. My favorite from today is the garnet and sterling silver ring by far. This is probably going to be one that I hold on to for a while and then maybe part with later. And love the Ann Taylor, J.Crew, and the Stella and Dot bracelet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's box. I hope you guys are all well. Thank you so much again for being here. And until next time, guys, bye.